We have embarked on a program of painting pedestrian crossings in Manika Land, I think as you have observed, but this one had been left behind because we wanted to do this exercise today.
We are very much delighted in this collaboration that has taken place between the City of Mutare, Traffic Safety Council of Zimbabwe and ZINARA. ZINARA being the funder of this project. We expect this program to be ongoing instead of being done intermittently, but we expect it to be ongoing continuously.
We should be walking and looking both sides for safety.
I'm very happy to be here with the Traffic Safety Council of Zimbabwe. I want to tell you the things that I have learned that have not only impacted me as a pedestrian, as a road user, but also as a learner. I have learned how to use the pedestrian zebra crossing marking correctly. I have also learned the road-related institution and how they benefit us as a nation. Not only related to our safety, our road safety, it has also impacted my learning. I now know the organizations related to it, and for that, I will be a success in my studies.
Support that we've given to the Traffic Safety Council of Zimbabwe, which they are utilizing to improve the safety of our roads through the marking of the zebra crossing. It will help us and the nation at large to transform these black spots and transform them into safer roads. So this will significantly reduce pedestrian-related accidents in Mutare and also in the nation, and our roads will become much safer for the students. So we are happy as ZINARA to fund this program of improving the safety of our roads.
Traffic Safety Council of Zimbabwe. Safety first, there is no second chance. Ladies, gentlemen, and my fellow colleagues, I stand here to express my sincere gratitude to the Traffic Safety Council of Zimbabwe. We appreciate the renewal of our pedestrian crossing markings. This will ensure our safety as school learners. As a school, we promise, no, we pledge to strictly adhere to the rules and guidelines of the markings. We also appreciate the prizes that we received from the council. You have fully motivated us through those prizes. And so, on behalf of the school, I wish you a safe journey back. Drive safely to arrive safely.